You know why I love nature so much? Because when I die, I wanted to be a mango tree. Because mango is my favorite fruit. I don't know why, but it just feels right. Like just standing there, peaceful, unbothered, just living my best tree life. You know? Anyway, getting there was already part of the adventure. We drove about 3 hours from our campsite, and the closer we got, the more magical everything started to feel. The roads, the trees, the atmosphere, it was like we were slowly entering a completely different world. So just a little background, Redwood National and State Parks is actually made up of 4 parks working together to protect this beautiful area. And what's really amazing is that you'll find a little bit of everything here. Ancient forest, open prairies, rivers, and even coastline. But of course, the real stars of the show are the redwood trees. This place protects about 45% of the remaining old-growth coast redwood forests, which means you're literally standing among some of the tallest trees in the world. Some of these trees have been here for hundreds, sometimes even thousands of years. Just thinking about that, it's crazy. It really makes you pause and appreciate how incredible nature is.